So today we're going to be making jelly using a packet of jelly, a spoon, some things to put the jelly in, and something to mix it in, and as well boiling water. So put in 500 milliliters, which is like 2 cups of boiling water. Now open your jelly packet and add it in. Make sure to mix it as well after adding it in. Make sure it's like dissolved, fully dissolved. And after that, you can start by pouring it in your stuff. And then refrigerate until they are jiggly jelly. So I hope you had fun making this and enjoyed your jelly.